Hello, we're going to give you a brief demo of Mmojo's Company List Builder tool. This tool is designed to let you find exactly the companies you're looking for that would be the best fit for your products and services. The user interface is very simple. There's basically down the right-hand side a series of filters to filter for the company you're looking for. And on the left-hand side, it gives you a preview of what you've selected. So let's just go down filter by filter. First, we can filter by locations, cities, states. So we can look for Austin, Texas. We can look for states. And we see as we're doing this that it's updating the number of companies that are available out of the 20 million companies we have within our data set. And it's also giving you a preview of the locations that you've selected over here as well as here. Let's go to the next filter, filter by industry. Here we simply enter a keyword, let's say computer. And it gives us all the industries as well as their NAICS codes associated with computers. So we'll take computer and electronic product manufacturing. We see that's dropped us down to 5,290 computers in this industry in these states. Now let's do software as well. And we'll do software publishers. So we get to continue to add industries. Next, we can filter by the revenue level. We can drag this to whatever level we think is appropriate. Let's pick something in the 18 million range and no constraint on the side. Again, just looking at the preview, we now have 503 companies in these locations. The darker here, a little more concentrated in California. Here's the revenue distribution of those 503 companies. Here's the employee distribution. We can filter by employees in the same manner that we filtered by revenue. We can also filter by company name, simply typing, let's say IBM, and select a list of those names. Obviously, IBM is not in those states, but perhaps Apple might be another one that we could select. And we see we've got one industry there. Let's keep going. There are company attributes, initially by default set to public and private. You can also add government agencies. Here's a very powerful filter. We can filter by the technologies that these companies are using. So let's do Salesforce, for example. And we might also select SAP. Perhaps Oracle. So now we've reduced this to 107 companies that are in these locations, in these industries, at least 18 million in revenue, at least 93 employees, and have one or more of these technologies. We also have some other filters here that we can target down for a particular type of business. And then a very powerful capability to filter using previous exports. So we already have a list, we're looking to expand it, we can exclude a selected list, and then we'll only get results that are beyond that list. Or if we have a large list and we're trying to just use these tools to select a subset of it, we can constrain the results the opposite way that has to come from that list. So now we have 107 companies. Let's preview those companies. We'll get a summary of 5 companies' firmographic information. So here they are. 5 randomly selected. Intuit's one of them. Here's all the basic firmographic information on Intuit, including industry, NAICS codes, revenue levels, employees, Xerox, Megit, Microsoft, L3. And we could click here to preview other samples. But let's say we're happy with this, and we now want to export this list of 107 companies. We could limit it, but let's say we want all 107. We're happy to have them randomly sorted, and this is the name. We'll call it company list. And we'll begin the export process. So company list builder is now preparing that list and giving a summary, in this case, of what it will cost. So we're looking at 107 data units of company information that will be exported. That's the value of those at 10 cents each, which is the price for this particular plan. This plan has credits in it, so there's actually going to be no charge. They'll just be deducted from those credits. And we will just purchase and download that list. And in this case, just drawing down from our data credits. Here's that list. Show it in the folder. Open it up. And it's a CSV file. We can auto format the width of it. So this is some basic internal information about that list, but here, let's just hide that for the moment. So here's the company name, address, city, county, including PIPS code, state, postal codes, domain names, NAICS codes for the industry, a description of that industry, and additional information, including revenue levels, SIC code in addition to the NAICS codes. That's the way you slice and dice your industry to get revenue levels. All these now are available for you to use to target those companies. So now let's go back to company list builder. We see here it's asking, hey, would you like contact information to go with these companies? So yes, take me to eFill Finder, which is another one of our applications that's completely integrated. And it took that list of 107 companies, matched them with Email Finder, and we'll say, let's find contacts for those companies. And we can apply filters if we want to. And in this case, we didn't apply any, so we're probably going to get quite a few contacts, 222,000. Again, we can use our Email Finder tools. Let's just say we're looking for executives, and we want to limit it to 10 contacts per company. So we'll rerun that filter. But you can see how we went straight from our company list builder into Email Finder to find the contacts that we care about for those companies. And here they are. So 61 companies of our 107 that had contacts, 473 of those contacts that we have here, they're all C-level. And here's the breakdown across the different functions. Here are the companies, and we can see a sample of contacts that are in there, and then we can just export those very similar to the way we did when we were in Company List Builder. And that's it.